Okay students, now let's do question number 2. Let me explain question number 2. During the last 5 years, the population of a town had 12 lakh people increased by 15%. So the past population was given as 12 lakh and it is increased percent. So increased percent is 15, past population is 12 lakh. So what is the present population of a town? So let the present population of a town be as, now 15 equal to, now because it is increased, so present minus past. So x minus 12 lakh upon 12 lakh into 100. Cut the zeros. Send this 12,000 towards 15. So 15 into this is 1,80,000. Transposition minus 12 lakh will go in this side and it will be this. Students, you can calculate 15% of 12 lakh also. Whatever you get, just add up together and you get this. But most of the students are confused when this type of question will be given, which we will discuss right now. So better to remember only one formula, that is this one. Yes. Now question number 3 says, Shiv went to a restaurant and ordered a pizza. When he saw the bill, he was surprised to notice that it was 330. So present bill is 330, which was 10% more than the past bill. So increase percentage is 10%. So past value is not given. So when past value is not given, don't calculate 10% of 330 because it is not past. And when you have to find out the past value or the original value, in that case you have to assume as x. So 10% equal to 330 minus x upon x into 100. Transposition, this x will be going this side. Cross multiplication, 10 into x become 10x equal to, and this 100 will be multiplied with the bracket. So 330 into 100 become 33,000 minus 100x. 100x will be going this side, it will be plus 100 plus 10, 110. Transposition, 33,000 divided by 110 is rupees 300. So 300 is the answer of it. Clear? Now fourth question says, this year Mr. Chatwal's apple orchard gave a bumper crop of 25% more than the last year. So increase percent is 25. If this year crop was 90,000, so present production of apple is 90,000. What was the amount of apples he had last year? Again, last will be x, 90,000 minus x upon x equal to 25% into 100. Like this you will solve by yourself. Now fifth question. A computer cost rupees 39,600. So present value is given, present price is given. In last 6 years the price had come down by 12%. Now decrease percentage is given. What was the price of a computer 6 months back? So fifth question I will do it. Now question 5th says, present price is rupees 39,600. Decrease percentage is how much? 12%. Past price, let the past price of computer be x. Now we will do, now students, decrease formula is 12% equal to past minus present because it is decrease. So x minus this upon x into 100%. So 12x, this x will be going that side, 12x equal to 100x minus 39640. This 100 will be multiplied with the all the terms inside the bracket as per the distributive property. So 12x minus 100x equal to minus 39640. Minus 88x equal to 39640. Minus minus cancel. 39640 divided by 88. Cut with the table of 11. 8, 36, 8, 2, 3, 4. 8 4s are 32, 40, 5, 000. So the past price of a computer is 45,000. Like this you will do the sum. Now question 6 is very easy. If 120 is reduced to 96. So past value is 120, present value 96. Do by yourself. Now, okay, 7th I will do it. 8th part I just explaining that the population of a village when it increased by 15% becomes 19,320. What was the original population? So past value is not given. So now I am doing the 7th question. Now 7th question says that Ranjan got 45% in first paper, second paper he got 70%. How much percent should he get in the third paper so that he get the overall score 60%? So first paper, percentage in first paper, that is 45%. Percentage in second paper is 70%. Now percentage in third paper, now it is not given, so we assume as X. Overall percentage is how much? 60%. Now you have learned average. How to get the average? Average equal to sum of all numbers upon how many numbers? 3. How many papers? 3. Like this. Yes, all are in percentage, so there is no need to write percent. Clear? So cross multiplications, 180 x plus 115. X equal to 180 minus 115, that is 65%. If he scores 65%, then only he got overall of 60%. Thank you.